In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix 3D wallpaper not working on your iPhone lock screen. So as you can see, currently I'm in my lock screen and my 3D wallpaper not working. Now let's see how to solve it. First solution is we have to turn off our low power mode. So go to your iPhone settings, tap on battery. If you turn on low power mode, you have to turn off low power mode. And then you have to go to accessibility settings. In here, tap on motion. And if you turn on reduce motion, you have to disable this option. And after that, go to your lock screen and check your 3D wallpaper working or not. If not working, then we have to delete our existing lock screen wallpaper and then we will create a new wallpaper using the same image. So just long press on your lock screen and here delete the wallpaper. Now tap on this plus icon to create a new wallpaper and you can just select photos and just scroll down and select the same photo. And then here you will find this 3D icon or special scene option. Just tap on that and we can see the special scene is now generating. Once successfully generated, we can see I've successfully converted my photo to 3D wallpaper. Now just tap on add. And here I'm selecting set as wallpaper pair. And that's it. We can see my 3D wallpaper is now working. Thanks for watching.